Hey everybody, and welcome to Polly's Crochet Creations. I'm Tori, your hostess. So I met a wonderful lady today, and this is the second video of my how-to videos. I do have the similar stitch tutorials and stuff from when I first started crocheting, but this wonderful lady had asked me a question on, don't fall, stay up there. Had asked me a question on how to do your chain and start your first row, your second row, and your third row, etc. on the single crochet. So I just did the video on the single crochet row, and I'm going to show you today on this video how to do a half double crochet row. Okay, so I've got my yarn. This is the soft classic yarn, and this is a Loops and Threads brand. It's Michael's brand. So I got this yarn, and I am going to start off with a slip knot. So I'm going to, this is a 5mm, I'm going to put that in here, and I'm going to pull out my 5.5mm, nope, my 5mm dots hook. I find this a little bit easier to use. So we're going to do a slip knot. We're going to yarn over, or we're going to wrap it around our fingers. Sorry about the bouncing. Wrap it around our fingers. We're going to take this working yarn and we're going to put it underneath. Then we're going to pull it through, and then we're just going to pull taut. Okay, so we're going to do a chain of 12, so 10, and then for a half double crochet and a double crochet I always do 2 extra. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I will give you a word of advice. When you're doing your base chain, if you do it in a hook size, so say I'm using a 5mm for my stitches, I would go up to a 6mm to do the base chain. Then I would go down to the 5mm to start my stitches. So, but I'm going to show you that the stitches in the 5mm, the one that I'm still using. What is this, a 4? Okay, so I'll show you. This is a 5mm and this is a 4mm. A G is number 4. Okay, and it's a boy. So I've done my base chain, and stick with a 5mm. So a half double crochet and a double crochet, you're going to skip the first stitch and the second stitch, and then you're going to yarn over, and you're going to go into the third stitch. That's when you draw up your loop, and you have 3 stitches on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over, and this is a half double crochet, so you're going to go through all 3 stitches. So you go through all 3 stitches. So that's a half double crochet. So you yarn over, and you go into the next stitch. You go in, you draw up your loop, and you have 3 stitches on your hook. You yarn over, and you go through all 3. Okay, your next stitch, you're going to yarn over, you're going to go in, you're going to draw up your loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and go through all 3. This is your half double crochet. Okay, yarn over, go in, your next stitch, draw up your loop, you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and you're going to go through all 3. Let's do it again. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, and go through all 3. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, 3 loops on your hook, and yarn over, and you're going to go through all 3 for a half double crochet. Okay, yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through all 3 loops, half double crochet, yarn over, go in, draw up a loop, yarn over, and go through all 3. Now, just so you know, you might struggle a little bit with holding the yarn and kind of getting it balanced and everything. I did that when I first started crocheting, but you will eventually find your niche. So you yarn over, you go into the second last stitch, yarn over, and you pull up your loop. You got 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and go through all 3. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and go through all 3. Okay, so you just did a row of half double crochets. Okay, and it looks really, really good. So again, you chain 1 and turn your work, or you turn your work and chain 1. Me, I usually chain 1 and I turn my work. Okay, so I'm turning my work, and then you're going to go into this very first stitch. Okay, so you're going to yarn over, you're going to go into the same stitch where you chained 1, you're going to draw up your loop, you got 3 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over, and you're going to go through all 3. That's a half double crochet. So yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, and go through all 3. And like I said, just keep practicing this, you will get better. So yarn over, you go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through all 3. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, and go through all 3. Half double crochet. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, and go through all 3. And this is how you do a half double crochet. You can do it. So yarn over, go in, draw up your loop. You got 3 loops on your hook, and you yarn over, and you go through all 3. Yarn over, go in, draw up a loop, yarn over, and go through all 3. Yarn over, go in, draw up a loop, yarn over, go through all 3, yarn over, your last stitch, you go in, make sure you get your V's, and then you yarn over, you draw up your loop, yarn over, and go through all 3. Okay, so there is your row of half double crochets. I will do one more row with you just to get you going, and you keep on trying. So you can, like I said, chain 1, turn your work, or you can turn your work and chain 1. So sorry about that. So I've chained 1 and I've turned my work. So I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to go into that first stitch right there. Put your hook in, draw up your loop. You got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and go through all 3. Yarn over, go in your next stitch, pull up your loop, yarn over, and go through all 3. Now make sure that you see these 2 V's here. Make sure that you have both of them on your hook. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through all 3, yarn over, go in, draw up a loop, yarn over, go through all 3, yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through all 3. Again, like I said, this is half double crochets. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, and go through all 3. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, and go through all 3. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through all 3. Yarn over, go in, draw up a loop, yarn over, and go through all 3. And then you're in your last stitch right here. It's your last stitch. So you yarn over and you go right in this last stitch right here. You draw up your loop and you yarn over and you go through all 3. So there, I've just showed you how to do the half double crochet with starting of the base chain, then half double crochet here, and then half double crochet here, and yeah, so that's how it works out. So again, if you find this video useful and very helpful, keep watching it. And this is all for newbie crocheters. I always recommend you go with a thick yarn and a bigger hook to first learn, and then you can go down hook sizes when you get better. If you like the video, there's a like button, like right over here, there's a like button. So if you click that like button, it'll tell the algorithm that you like the video and they'll recommend it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, there's a subscribe button just down below here. Today could be the day that you subscribe. Hit the bell icon, hit all on the bell icon. You'll be notified of more videos that I'm going to be uploading, and I'm going to be doing another 2 tutorials after this. I'm going to be doing a double crochet and a treble crochet for these tutorials. So I will find yarn to do that. So if you find something on YouTube that you like to do or are interested in doing, please, please, please don't quit. Keep trying, because eventually it'll be like a light bulb goes off in your head and you'll be like, oh, wow, that's how you do it. And you all have a great day, evening, weekend, wherever you may be. You guessed it, you know it, it's coming. Keep on hooking, everybody. Keep on hooking. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.